Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning at 8:36, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1110 for this Tuesday morning after a long weekend. Okay, Asia, excuse me, Asia and Europe are both lower. We had one piece of economic news this morning, and that was the Empire State Manufacturing Index was down 0.7% versus an expectation of 25.5. So that's a huge miss. Before that number came out, the market was weak. It's been weak actually all morning since the Goldman Sachs news hit. And at 8:20, we were down 300 on the Dow, 250 in the Nasdaq, and 50 in the S&P. After that, we've improved just slightly. Dow now down 272, Nasdaq down two and a quarter, and the S&P down 44. Um, so Goldman reports beats on revenue, misses on earnings. Big disappointment. The stock is trading 360, 374, and that's down about $17, 4.5%. PNC also reported they beat and they gave good guidance. They're down, but not by much. 220.96 down a buck and a quarter. BNY Mellon also a beat, trading 63 down about 60 cents. So nothing overwhelming there. Two deals to talk about. One was announced early this morning, and one just about 5 minutes ago. Unilever buying the personal products division from GSK. Last is 48.85 down 544, or about 10% on Unilever. And the big one, 68.7 billion. Microsoft buying Activision Blizzard, $95. The stock is 90 up 25. If you recall, this company had a lot of bad news over the last couple of weeks about workplace issues, sexual harassment, whole bunch of people, getting fired and leaving. Microsoft traded down to about 300. When I started this, it was 301, which was down about 9. Right now, it's about 304, and that's down only 5. So a little bit of an improvement there, but it's not helping. The stock futures. What's hurting the stock futures is the 10-year trading at 181.1 right now. Overnight, it actually traded at 185. That's a new high, new recovery high. And that's scaring people a bit. Chart on the screen is oil, crude, surpassing this top that we got short on for the move back down late last year. Uh, Currently trading 84.83, but has been over 85, 85.74, so almost 86. Looking at this on a weekly basis, it's hard to understand why it wouldn't be uh, able to move up pretty substantially. Let's take a look. Okay, so we are clearly at post-pandemic highs by a long shot. Let me just see if I can give you a little better look. Okay, so we're back into this area. This is a monthly. We're back into this area, and breaking through there would probably send us back into this $90 to $94 range. So I think that's where we're going. I've been saying that for a couple of weeks after that big decline. Interest rates are hurting the gold. Gold was up overnight, now down $9. Silver still up a couple of cents, as I mentioned, all of the futures indexes are lower, including the Russell, which we don't really cover as much of, but this is a serious problem for the Russell. The Russell did not confirm the new highs. Bitcoin very weak over the weekend through yesterday. You got to remember it trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, down 1,700 and down 200 in Ethereum, which is also a big move down there. The bonds have been all over the place. Let's take a look. As you can see, we still are making these lower highs, but I want to show you what this looks like on the daily, because it's a pretty severe break. I mean, we were trying to hold the lines here, the uptrend line. We broke, and last week came down very hard. Tried to rally back up to the 157 area, and now we've traded as low as just below 154, 153.29 30 seconds. A look at it on the weekly is a little bit more revealing. We are getting down to this low, 153.07. So as I said, we're still continuing to make lower highs. Looks like we're breaking, but this is an important area, this 153, 153 and a half. And the other issue is that if the market continues to falter the way that it is right now, the bonds will bounce a bit just on the flight to safety play. All right, everyone, be careful out there. This is a tough market. I'll be back later on. There's also a new Suki YouTube video from this morning talking about the overall state of energy. He makes some very interesting points. That is posted in the Discord room. So, hit that. It's about 8 or 10 minutes long, but definitely worth the read, listening to it. Have a good one.